Hold on to your hats, tech enthusiasts. It's time to dive headfirst into the latest buzz in the smartphone world. The stage is set, and the spotlight is on Samsung. You see, Samsung has already wowed us this year with its top-notch smartphones. But now it's time for the grand unveiling of the much-anticipated Galaxy S24 series. Get ready to mark your calendars because the ever-reliable tipster Ice Universe just dropped a bombshell on Weibo. Brace yourselves, folks, because January 18 could be the day when Samsung decides to dazzle us with the Galaxy S24 series. Sure, it might not be set in stone, but it's the closest thing we have to a confirmed date. Why the hurry, you ask? Well, it seems Samsung is looking to take on the formidable iPhone 15 series, and they're not holding back. Now, let's talk specs, the real juicy stuff. In the power department, Samsung plans to equip the Galaxy S24 series with the Exynos 2400 processor for Asia, Africa, and Europe, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Canada, China, and the US. RAM, you're looking at 12 gigabytes for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, and a whopping 16 gigabytes for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Storage options, they're generous, ranging from 256 gigabytes to a jaw-dropping 1 TB. Cameras, anyone. Prepare to be wowed with 50-megapixel primary cameras, 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras, and 10-megapixel telephoto cameras on the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. And for the shutterbugs who crave even more, the Galaxy S24 Ultra promises a sensational 200-megapixel primary camera. Yes, you heard right, 200-megapixel. Plus, a bunch of other lenses to capture every detail of your world. And here's the icing on the cake. HD Plus Super AMOLED screens with a staggering 2,500 nits peak brightness. That's like holding a pocket-sized sun in your hand. And don't fret about running out of juice. The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra come with batteries ranging from 4,000 mAh to 5,000 mAh, and they've kept the charging speeds as zippy as ever. But that's not all. These phones are your lifelines with two-way satellite connectivity for those unexpected emergencies. So gear up, tech aficionados, because the Galaxy S24 series is about to rock your world like never before.